Even though, at one point it was looking South Africa's way, but I thought, overall as a team, as a group on the field, we wanted this really bad. We wanted to win this. But I know to win a tournament like this, a lot goes behind the scenes. A lot of efforts, a lot of mind needs to come together. I'm very, very proud of the bunch of boys that I have and the management as well. For giving us that liberty to go and play and execute and having that trust in each one of us. And that has to start from the management, coach, captain, and then the players go out there and do it. Throughout the tournament, I think we were fantastic. Let's talk about a few individual players and not isolating anyone else, but Virat Kohli was the greatest coming into this final. Appreciation of what he did today with that. Look, I was, not me, but nobody was in doubt about that. Form of Virat. We know the quality that he has. He's been on top of his game for the last 15 years. Come the occasion, we know big players will stand up. And Virat was obviously holding that one end, which was very, very crucial for us. And the others played around him. And for us to get to that total was a team effort as well. We wanted somebody to bat as long as possible. These are not the wickets where you can just come and bat freely and keep the scoreboard ticking straight away. So we do understand that, and we wanted somebody to bowl as long as possible. We have been perfectly experienced. All the years that he has played comes into the picture. And really well. Of course, that 47 was, I think, very, very crucial as well. Let's jump on to the bowling now, and you've got many heroes across the tournament. Aksa himself with the ball, Kuldeep, Arshdeep. But this guy just with Bumrah. How do we put into words what he keeps doing? I can understand you guys trying to put it out in the words, but I've been someone who's seen him for so many years playing alongside me. Even I don't know what exactly is with him. I know exactly what he brings to the table, but how he does that, it is just masterclass, to be honest. He backs his skills, which is more than and he's a very confident lad. Whatever he wants to do, he executes, which is a very rare sight. I know. Hardik is telling you that he wants to celebrate. Just with Bumrah, to put it in one word, he's a class act. And Hardik was brilliant as well. Bowling that over, no matter how many runs is required to hold that last I'm very, very proud of the ball. A great to the fans who say that we are finally. No, absolutely fantastic. All the way through New York to Barbados. I just want to salute them to come and support us. And also back home, people are sitting there watching it. It's a late night in India.
ரிட்டையர்மெண்ட் அறிவிச்சிட்டு அவ்வளோதானே.
So I'm very, very proud of what we have achieved today. Congratulations. Thank you very much for the entertainment you provided around this tournament. Once again, I'll allow you to go and to join your teammates to receive
அவன் தான் வாங்கிட்டு போவான். ஏன் தெரியுமா? அவன்லாம் ஃபைனல் வந்துச்சுன்னா முடிஞ்சு போச்சு.
ICC Men T20 Cricket World Cup Champion 2024.
World Cup 1983, 2007 and 2011 player 2007 inaugural champion இருந்தாரு. And இன்று ஒரு கேப்டனா leading from the front மணி தலைவனா இந்த வெற்றியை ருசிக்கிறாரு. Well done to Team India. Well done to the men in blue. ஒவ்வொரு முறையும் கடைசி வரைக்கும் போய் ஹார்ட் heartbreak after heartbreak for Rohit Sharma and company. அவங்க எல்லாருமே இந்த ஒரு நாளுக்காக தான் துடிச்சுக்கிட்டு இருந்தாங்க. Not just T20 World Cup. அவருடைய உணர்வுகள், அவருடைய சந்தோஷம், அவருடைய உச்சக்கட்ட celebration எல்லாமே நம்ம பார்த்துக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம். What a star he has been, what a champion he has been. Under 19 உலக கோப்பை as a coach ஜெயிச்சாரு. But along with Rohit Sharma and Team India பல வருடங்களா பாடுபட்டாரு. So close, yet so far in the WTC final 2023 உடைய ODI World Cup final. 7 மாதத்துக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம எல்லாருமே அழற காட்சிகள் நம்ம பார்த்தோம். But that was because of our heartbreak. 7 months later எல்லாருமே அவங்களுடைய தங்களுடைய ஆனந்த கண்ணீர் கூட இந்த ஒரு வின்னை செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணாங்க. This is what India is about. இந்த நாளுடைய ஆரம்பத்தில் சீதா ரொம்ப பாப்புலரான ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் சொன்னாரு. எல்லாருடைய பிரார்த்தனையும் இன்னைக்கு வருகிறது. அவர் நம்ம பக்கம் இல்ல. செமி ஃபைனல்ஸ்ல இந்தியன் கிட்ட தோல்வியை தழுவிட்டு எக்ஸிட்டட் தி T20 World Cup. இன்னைக்கு எல்லாமே ஒன்னா கூடி வந்திருக்கு. Is the sound of achievement, அதுதான் the sound of hard work, the sound of dedication, the sound of perseverance and passion. ஒவ்வொருத்தருமே இதுக்காக தானே பண்ணிருக்காங்க, இதுக்காக தானே ஒவ்வொரு நாளும் கனவு கண்டிருக்காங்க. They dreamt it, today they live it. இன்னைக்கு அவங்களுடைய dream becomes a reality. And அவங்களுடைய இந்த வெற்றி மூலமா இந்திய கிரிக்கெட்ல ஒரு புதிய சகாப்தம் பிறந்திருக்கு.
ஜெய்ஸ்வால்
unscathed champion in T20 World Cup 2024. What a case they have been in Barbados, ruling the world. Our Team India champions once again.
போய் பீர் குடிச்சு கால